beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing good. So today I would like to take you guys around. We are going for family appointments here. So we're going for teeth control today. This is our normal routine once in a year, okay? So I would like you guys to come along with me. And if today is your first time here, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. Guys, stay tuned and let's get started. Let's go. So guys, we're on traffic. You can see the Strassen or that train passing. Okay, so
police station.
Mbanke Bahnhof. According to police station. I'm down for operation, is it? So guys, we have arrived. Okay, we are now looking for parking space where we're going to park our car. Yeah, park class. Okay, here in a building now. That's the building where we're going to. Okay, guys, this is our city. Okay, we parked our car heading into the office now. So guys, I and my escorts are going inside. We are going inside now. Okay, I have an outside. A step, I'm going to a step now. We have to wait. Morgan. About yeah.
Nee, ist nicht schlimm. Also, ist nicht schlimm.
But one yeah, in the waiting room. So guys, we are still in the waiting room, waiting for our time. There's a lot of people here, okay? So I'm standing. I'm tired of sitting, so I have to stand. Okay, let me show you guys outside. Yeah, that's our Bahnhof. Yeah, that's our Bahnhof. Yeah, Metalin. So it's their time now. Okay. Guys, it's their time to go in now, the two of them. Alright, go and sit. Yeah.
Ja. 1, 6, ne? 5, mich 4, mich 3, bleiben da 3 am Durchbruch. Okay. Mich 2, bleiben da 1er. Good. And open as wide as you can. Wow, okay, let's see with the light now. Yes, wonderful. Okay, and close, bite. Can you bite? Close. Zumachen.
Mädchen.
Yes. Okay, perfect.
Auch nichts an.
Wechselgewiss.
Wechselgewiss.
Ja, die ist älter. 1, 6, mich 5, mich. Bei ihm 1, 6 ist da.
Ich muss das suchen.
Also,
Charles.
kannst du normales Gebiss machen, weil er hat wenig Milchzähne.
Ja.
Genau. 1, 6 ist da. 1, 5 Durchbruch.
Ja.
5 ist Durchbruch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ja. 1, 2, 3, 4, mich 5.
Mich 4, mich 5.
Ja. Also bleiben da 4er.
Ja, aber mich 5.
Der ist Milchzahn, ja.
Gut, ja.
Und 6er ist da. Dritter Quadranten, 6er, mich 5, bleiben da 4er, bleiben da 3er, bleiben da 2, bleiben da 1er. Bleiben da 1er, bleiben da 2er, bleiben da 3er, bleiben da 4er.
Guys, we are done now. Okay. So guys, we are going. I'm sorry I was not able to show you guys myself, yeah, because no one to take the video. Hobby is with my small baby in waiting room, and my boy, before he could realize what was happening, the doctor is done with me. Okay, so we are done, heading home. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in our next one, and please do not forget to subscribe. We went to everything was okay. Our teeth, everything is in order except mama. Okay, I was referred to go to a big clinic, that's hospital, for my own control. Okay, though the check, it is a little bit better than the last time I came here emergency. Okay, so that is it. Do have a lovely day. Bye.